Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a button that when you have your mouse over it, it changes color. First you're going to want to go to the sprite, choose the sprite section. You're going to scroll down until you get to the button 5, which is the X. You're going to choose the X. Then you're going to want to go into your events, grab the when flag clicked and button. You're going to go down to the control, grab your forever loop, then the looks will have the switch costume, and you're going to want to set that to button 5A. What that'll do is that it'll, at the beginning of the, when you hit the flag button, it will change this back to button 5 costume, button 5A, which is this black costume. Then you're going to want to grab 2 more switch blocks, a forever loop, a if then else loop, and one of these touching mouse pointer booleans. You're going to put the forever loop right here, and in that you're going to put the if else then. In the if else statement, you're going to put the touching mouse pointer. In the if else then, you're going to put the switch costume to 5A. One is switch costume box, you're going to set that to 5B. In the else, you're going to put a switch costume block, the other switch costume block, and you're going to put it as 5A. What that will do is that this will first set the costume to 5A, then when it detects that the mouse pointer is touching the sprite, it will change it to costume 5B, which is the red X. And then if it does not detect it, it will go ahead and change it back. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it and know someone else that will benefit by watching this video, please share this with them. If you also like this content, please go check out my channel. I post tons of content just like this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys next time.